had a bit of a mishap. I hit the dock, I think, with the rudder as I was leaving. The wind was pushing me against the dock and I tried to turn away, and I think the rudder's been pushed against the dock and damaged the skeg. So I've taken the rudder off, and now I'm going to go in and have a look at what damage I've done to the skeg. So it means that I'm going to have to pull it out of the water to repair it, which is a big deal. But anyway, these things happen. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, she's definitely broken off. So the only thing holding the skeg on was this fiberglass, and that just tore away. So I have to get something a bit more substantial than that. Yeah, don't know what we're going to do. I'll just do one more check underneath, make sure that the timber's sound.